Hey, what's up guys? This is Shane from My Review Stuff, and today I'll be unboxing the first package of 5 packages from Newegg.com. This is for my new computer build, as some of you may know. So I have no idea what's in this box, but this is the first box I'm going to be unboxing. I'm going to make a bunch of other videos today, so you won't have to wait for any other. So this is the first box out of 3 other boxes, and then the case. So let's get started. So I don't know if I'm in focus right now because I'm using my iPhone, the 4S, because my other camcorder broke. So I'm just going to open this up and see if it's in focus. Yep, it's in focus. Alright guys, so you can't see anything right now. But here is the packaging slip, and so we'll get started off by the Corsair Vengeance. I got one 4 gig stick and another 4 gig stick, as you can see right here. They were cheaper, just get them separately, not in the actual combo, so that was cool. Here's a cheap little Rosewell Slim keyboard. I just needed a keyboard until I get my Razer Black Widow. So right here, oh my gosh. Alright, right here is one of the best things in my build. The ASRock Z77 Extreme 4 555X Fast. This is the new chipset, Z77 chipset. It supports Ivy Bridge. Here's my just light-on DVD and CD drive. So put them in there. And all this packaging. So that was it for my first unboxing. So stay tuned for my second unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time, guys. So I know in the beginning of the video I said I was just going to do one Newegg unboxing, but I don't want to do that. I just want to get all the Newegg boxes unboxed, and then I'll do a separate unboxing of the product itself. So without further ado, let's just get on with the rest of this video. So here are the remaining boxes. Let me put down my kitchen knife. Alright, so here's all the packaging. So dang, just in this box alone, there's the packaging slip. Here's my OCZ Mod Extreme Pro 600 watt semi-modular power supply. Supports SLI, so that's good for now. Let's get to my other boxes. I believe this is the CPU cooler and stuff like that. So the packaging slip. So yep, this is the Corsair H60 CPU cooler. It supports LGA 775, 1155, 1156, 1366, LGA 2011, AMD AM2, and AM3. So that would be good to cool my CPU. And let's put this over here. Sorry for trying to focus, guys. Once again, I'm using my iPhone 4S on this. So here's my processor. This is all I could afford at the moment, but I will probably be upgrading. This is the Intel Core i5 2300 LG A1155. It's not unleashed or unlocked or anything, but you can still overclock this. So I'm not planning on to. I'll just save up for an i7. There's my processor. So here's my graphics card. This is the EVGA GTX 560 SE with 1 GB of GDDR5 memory. So right here, this is basically between a GTX 550 and a GTX 560. So this is 2 PCI 6-pin. So that's good right there. And then this last box, I think it's just my hard drive. And the thing about this hard drive, I originally purchased it And then the fine print, it said IDD Ultra, and it looked exactly like the SATA. So I purchased another one off eBay. It'll get here tomorrow. But hopefully, you know, it is SATA. But I'm not having any hopes on it. So let's open this up. So here it is right here. And if you can hear that, that's my cat playing in the packaging. So if I can get this unboxed, I'll come back to you guys, alright? Yeah guys, so unfortunately it is a IDD Ultra 100, so I can't use this without an adapter. But my other hard drive will get here tomorrow, this is just one video. I will be unboxing my case in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for a lot of unboxings and a computer build. I mean a lot of unboxings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And up next will be my case. So I'll see you next time. See ya. Peace.